इंतजार की घड़ियां हुई खत्म क्योंकि मंच है बड़ा, मुकाबला है खड़ा, जाम था स्टेडियम है बिल्कुल तैयार क्योंकि शुरुआत हो रही है विदर्भा प्रीमियर लीग सीजन 2।
Pagadia Strikers won the toss and they've decided to field first. It's a rematch of last year's final. Game day 1, match number 1. Nico Master Blaster led by Adyan Daga, the all-rounder. Watch out for Vedant and Sanmesh. And they'll be taking on a side who were flawless in the league stages last season, making it 5 out of 5. The Pagadia Strikers led by the versatile and enterprising Yash Kadam. You've got to give credit. The captain leading, Nico Master Blaster, Adyan Daga, opening the innings. He has some great numbers. His strike rate certainly appealing. A slip in place, 3-4 on the off inside the circle and 2 inside the ring on the onside with a deep backward square leg. First runs on the board here for Nico Master Blasters and Vedant will get off the mark. Looks a good surface.
Oh, up in the air, or
They'll be eager to get some early runs in the power play. Gives the charge. That's a high ball and that's out of here.
Oh, बेहतरीन shot. एक और चौका.
Nicely played. That's a magnificent shot. Wow, that's a magnificent hit again.
पहले ही मैच में. Oh, जोरदार अपील नहीं. इसमें उम्मीद, विश्वास कम और उम्मीद ज्यादा.
Yeah, next frame. Yeah, I see clear spike as ball is passing the bat. Satisfied, bat involved. Going back to on field.
Yeah, looks like that's a very, very good review. And you've got to give it to the Pagadia Strikers. A bit delayed in sending that upstairs. But that emotion there says it all. They took their time, persuaded by a couple of fielders around. The captain was reluctant and finally he went with a T sign and they've been rewarded. Vedant Digahare will have to depart and a break here for Lalit Yadav. Tushar Kadu walks out. Strike rate can get better. Early days for him. What a hit! That's a biggie and that's got the crowd going as well.
Oh, एक और छक्का.
And another blow. That's gone the distance. Cutting loose now. In bold shot, maybe a tad slower. And that's gone all the way as well. Another one. And the other one is a shot like that.
लेग स्पिन थोड़ा सा मिश्रण करने की कोशिश.
Beautiful. Oh, can we catch a breath or not? Adyan Daga says no, not at all. And again,
There's the miss hit. Will this be converted into a catch? Man settling underneath, doesn't make a mistake. Lalit Yadav and his side will breathe a sigh of relief. This is Tushar Kadu walking back.
154 पे 2 निको मास्टर ब्लास्टर. तुषार ने 87 रन बनाए.
Vaibhav Chandekar. And they've accepted it gleefully. This will travel the distance too. There's one spot on the bat that does not guarantee distance. Chandekar goes for the big one for the first time and will find himself in the hut.
165 पे 3.
Very fluent batter. 358 runs. Catch it was the call.
ये ओवर जो है ना, ये बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण रहने वाला है. 2 वजह से. एक तो पिछले ओवर में सिर्फ 5 रन आए हैं और दूसरा स्ट्रेटेजिक टाइम आउट से बाहर आए हैं आप. ये लीजिए, हो गया काम. यहां ऐसी परिस्थितियों में, ऐसे मौकों पर कप्तान को हमेशा मिसाल पेश करनी होती है.
78 of 42 for Adyan Daga. A handy innings indeed. 178 for 4. Got a good hold of this one. That's gone a long way. That's flat and that's fierce.
पहला गेंद और में हम 6 की बात कर रहे थे. लीजिए.
High. But has he found the fielder right down his throat? One too many here for Shantanu, and he gets the send-off by Sanjay.
195 पे 5 ब्लास्टर्स। वो चीजें थोड़ी मुश्किल होंगी, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं मुझे गलत साबित किया उन्होंने।
211 for 6. If you're anywhere around the stadium, you know your destination for the next 13 days. Back live. Oh, he's got a lot of height on this. He loses shape. Fielder will have to turn around. He'll take some catching. Oh, it's been taken on the second attempt. That's a spectacular grab. That's a lovely catch. And this means that another wicket falls for the Blasters, and Kostab has taken an outrageous catch.
211, 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर निको ब्लास्टर्स। लीजिए, इतना समय से हम इंतजार कर रहे थे कि वो बाउंड्री कब देखने को मिलेगी। बहुत मुश्किल होता है 250 रन बनाना, लेकिन 220 भी कम नहीं होगा। इस विकेट के ऊपर आसान नहीं होंगी चीजें।
Edged and gone. So the final delivery of this innings turns into a wicket for the strikers, but the Blasters will want to believe they have the runs on the board. They finish on 219 for 8, and Lalit Yadav will get his third scalp. He starts off well, but the strikers will realize they may have conceded a little bit more. But you've got to believe in a chase on a surface like this. We've had a royal start so far on game day 1, match number 1.
पहले बल्लेबाजी करते हुए निको ने 219 रन बनाए 8 विकेट के नुकसान पर। अध्ययन के बल्ले से 78 रन आए 42 गेंदों पर। तुषार ने कमाल की बल्लेबाजी की, 26 गेंदों में 87 रन बनाए। और पीछे अगर बात करें तो आर्यन के बल्ले से 12-15 शांतनु और बढ़िया बल्लेबाजी का मुजाहरा किया।
219, which at one point seemed to be going beyond, well beyond 250, was pegged back by Yash Kadam and the Pagaria strikers.
संजय हैं जो प्रारंभिक बल्लेबाज के रूप में उतरे हैं। फैज बाएं हाथ के दाएं बाएं हाथ का कॉम्बिनेशन 8 मैच 272 रन 137 का स्ट्राइक रेट। और पहली बॉल पर एक सफलता मिलती हुई निको मास्टर ब्लास्टर को पहली बॉल पर झटका दिया। निराश हो गए।
As with that, Sanjay goes to one delivery, strikers none for one.
समर्थ आए बल्लेबाजी करने।
Oh, driven, pierces the inner ring. Pitches it short, cuts it away. Beauty.
हवा में जरूर एक और चौका। पहली बॉल और 4 रन। एक बार फिर स्ट्रोक स्वीप और 6 रन।
Hoyt going, gone.
Yeah, he's lost his shape on this one. This could be wicket number 2. Dipesh strikes. Another one bites the dust. Captain finds the gap. Sweet timing on that. He shipped that as he found the fielder, just about clipping the fingertips.
इत्र से सिर्फ कपड़े महकते हैं, किरदार नहीं महकते। ये देखिए जरा, इसी वजह से क्रिकेट आज यहां इस मुकाम पे पहुंची।
Nicely done.
कुछ के लिए ताकत भी जरूरी है।
In control. Another powerful strike. Nicely bowled. Oh, he's got him. What a delivery. He's nailed it. Pinpoint precision here.
इस विकेट की जरूरत थी। कदम 12 रन बना के आउट।
Also, Vivek Paji, the efficient coaching staff they've had through the years who've inspired the boys. He's striking it cleanly.
किसी भी बल्लेबाज को छोटी डिलीवरी।
Oh, that's a cracking hit.
देखिए चीजें आसान नहीं होती गेंदबाजों के लिए। ये लीजिए एक और जब आप ऐसी बल्लेबाजी करते हैं तो गेंदबाजों को समझ नहीं आएगा कहां गेंदबाजी करें। इस बार छोटा फील्डर वहां मौजूद, यहां पर विकेट आएगी। जो विकेट की जरूरत है निको को, वो विकेट आती हुई।
Shivam Deshmukh departs 164 for 4. But the width to throw his bat. But the second is on. One for the shot, one for the throw. Tough. This is tough. Direct hit was required. Direct hit was required. It is a direct hit. Hang on, what does the umpire say? I think he started to walk. Yes, he started to walk.
4 रन उन्होंने बनाए 180 पर 5।
Kaustubh Salve is the new man in.
Absolute fist of it, the Pagaria strikers. And this one. Cracked. Worthy finalists last time around. Full toss, driven well, really very, very well. And with that, Samad brings up his century. This season's very first century in match number 1 of the Vidarbha Premier League Season 2. That's it. It can come any which way. But the result is a boundary, and the result is in the favor of the Pagaria strikers, who have avenged the defeat of the finals of 2025.
ये है कहानी इस मुकाबले की। 219 रन बने थे और एक समय निको मास्टर ब्लास्टर्स को लगा होगा कि 219 रन काफी होने चाहिए। जी नहीं, समर्थ के जो है वो अलग मंसूबे थे उनके। 223 पे 5, अभी 7 गेंदें बची थी, 101 रन बना के नाबाद रहे।